Okay, my friends, welcome back to the kitchen. And it's great to see you all. Hello, hello. Happy summer. We are in some hot weather. And we're going to make a good, cool meal. So tonight, we are having our cosmic immortality salad. All right? So get ready. We're going to combine some really good stuff here. We've got baby arugula. We've got parsley and mint and endive and baby sweet peppers. We've got some steamed beets and some steamed lentils. We've got avocado. We've got some grape tomatoes. We're going to really go to town. All right. So let's start by slicing up the endive. Just arrange everything on top. There we go. So how's everyone doing out there? Hope you're taking good care of yourselves and each other. Okay, put our peppers in. It's really hot. We're in the, I want to say, we're in the 90s here on the East Coast today. Humid. Oof. Thick, heavy air. But high water content food will save the day. High water content, high color content. We get all those phytonutrients and enzymes and spectral hydratants. Okay, now let's cut up the parsley a little bit. Just so the leaves are not too giant. The mint leaves we can tear. But the parsley, I'll cut it up some. You don't want to be mongrels. Keep your fingers bent under. Don't raise the knife. Keep the knife low. Low and slow. Like our knives, like we like our ocean waves. Low and slow. Okay. Tear up some mint leaves, like so. Beautiful. Okay. I don't want to waste anything. I get nice clean hands. All right, let's take some beets now. Beets are already steamed and chilled. Those on there. Everything is organic. Won't get worried. All right. So now, it took a while to really get some warm weather. Just a little over 2 weeks ago, I was wearing winter gloves in the morning. Pretty crazy. And then, blammo. Got hot. We've had a lot of rain here on the East Coast. The grasses and the shrubs are growing like wild. Oops. Got some olives. I'm going to cut these in half. Cut your olives in half. Especially when they're pitted. Because every once in a while, there's a stray pit. You cut them in half, you'll make sure that you get everything out of there. Hey, come here. Good olive. So why cosmic immortality? Because it raises our health to such a high level that we get to embrace immortality. We get to really reach that superhuman level of well-being. Okay, now let's take our lentils. Arrange these on here. We have chlorophyll, vitamin K, B vitamins, vitamin C. We've got our protein and amino acids. We will have our essential fatty acids, boatload of phytonutrients and enzymes. Cram-packed. Okay, let's check out this avocado now. Should be good. Got it a few days ago. Should be perfectly ripe now. I'm not sure if I'm convinced. I might save this one for guacamole. Got another one. Let's try this one instead. I think the first one I'll use for guacamole. Yeah, this one's better. Oop, heads up. Flying pit. Spoon. All right. So, rising early, do your exercise in the morning. Or if you really want to do it late at night, you can, but I think in the morning is better. Get a little lift before things get too hot. You don't want to get too rised up before you're supposed to be going right before bed, These up here. Now, everything is cut, so we're going to wash our knife. When you use a knife, wash it immediately. Dry it immediately, put it away. You put it on your rack. In my case, I put it in the drawer, in a sleeve. Or some people have the magnetic rack, or whatever. But put it away, don't leave it out. Somebody getting harpooned in the kitchen. Now, we've got our grape tomatoes. Really beautiful ones. Got a load of that, huh? Don't worry, there's more. Next thing we're going to do is some sprouted pumpkin seeds. Plenty of zinc, plenty of amino acids, plenty of good fatty acids, and some sprouted ground chia seeds. These are black chia seeds. I like those best. Okay. Now, we'll combine some organic apple cider vinegar. And some organic balsamic. So the greens help activate the release of nitric oxide in the body. Through the flora in the mouth, and then everything goes through the bloodstream. No, I don't want that. I want pumpkin pie spice. Here we go, paprika and sage. And then also the nitric oxide gets released through the endothelial walls, the blood vessel walls. And then the organic acid, whether it's balsamic or apple cider vinegar or brown rice vinegar or squeezed lemon or lime or grapefruit, what that's going to do is initiate the release of nitric oxide synthase, which is an enzyme that makes the nitric oxide become active. Some sage, good for the spirit. Some here. And magical, there we go, some magical coriander seed, ground. And we've got a boatload of magnesium and potassium in here, so we're going to need a little bit of sodium just to keep our electrolyte balance. We got some really good unrefined salt. This is Redmond real salt. It comes from deep, deep, deep underground. Has never seen air pollution, has never seen water pollution. And then we'll finish with a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, organic, and just a little, like a tablespoon. And that's going to provide for us a compound called oleocanthal, which is very anti-cancer. Let's toss this up. I'm not going to toss it really well because it's a really full bowl, but we'll just get everything to settle through. Oh, no, I'm pretty happy. How about you? And yes, the greens and the herbs I had spun in advance. Get a load. Oh, come on. Right? Am I right or am I right? But really, this is just a really quick thing. This is about 10 minutes long to do. Here's my chair. Here it is. All right, my friends. How about we give this a try, you and me? So let's enjoy this in good health. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. Bless your food before you eat it. Bless yourself before you eat. Oh, boy. Ha ha ha. Outrageous. Chlorophyll. Vitamin E. Vitamin C. B complex. Magnesium. Betalain compounds to promote blood flow and also to promote nitric oxide release, just like the leafy greens. Bitter acids. Aromatic oils. Amino acids. Essential fatty acids. Soluble fiber. Bioflavonoids. Chlorophyll, 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 chlorophyll. Vitamin K. More chlorophyll. Lycopene and carotenoids. We've got it all, especially because we've got love. So, stay blessed, Where's the camera? I always ask. Over here. Okay. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay well. Take good care of each other. Practice forgiveness. Boy, oh boy, does this world need forgiveness now. But keep the faith. Keep the faith. Every day step forward. Every day have a healthy thought and a healthy meal and a healthy beverage and a healthy exchange with someone. And come back again and see me. Love you a lot. Catch you next time around. Good health. Peace. Love, love, love. And salad. Salad. Rawr.